in a while, but I'm kind of sitting out here enjoying my teenagers. These are all my teenagers that I've just moved out of my brooder barn, and I thought I'd show everybody. That back there in the very corner is a Deathlayer pullet. Oops, sorry, a Deathlayer pullet right in the back. That's a Deathlayer there, but I think that's a rooster. Thank God. I need a cockerel really bad. This is a little pullet right here. You can see her feathers there on her back. And then here's these babies in here. These guys are starting to get ready for bed. There's another Deathlayer. There's an Americana. You can see everybody starting to get ready for bed. There's one of my Appenzellers right there in the corner. Oh, somebody fell. I got turkin babies too. There's all kinds of babies out here today. These guys are almost old enough to put in the adult barns. But this is I do this barn before I put in an adults, and usually I sell out of this barn all of these guys. And then there's my silkies, my blue silkies over there. And you got my Houdons over here. And this is I've got this cockerel right here. He's had a bad leg. There's nothing on it, but I think he fell and hurt it. And then I've got 3 hens in with him.